Is your Nikon D3500 struggling to lock focus, displaying frustrating error messages? Let's get that lens working perfectly again. First, let's rule out the simplest issue: a loose connection. Gently detach your lens by pressing the lens release button and twisting it counterclockwise. Then, realign the lens with its mount, making sure the red or white mounting index on the lens matches the corresponding index on the camera body. Twist it clockwise until it clicks securely into place. Dirty contacts can also wreak havoc on autofocus. With the lens removed, locate the small metal contacts on the rear of the lens and inside the camera body's ends mount. Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth, ideally one specifically for optics, to gently wipe away any dust or smudges. Avoid touching the contacts with your fingers. Now, reattach the lens and try focusing. If the error persists, let's check for any physical obstructions. Look closely at the lens itself and the camera's mirror box area. Is there any visible debris, lint, or even a small piece of plastic that might be interfering with the lens's internal mechanisms? If you're using a lens with a manual focus ring, try rotating it gently back and forth through its entire range. Sometimes, manually cycling the focus can dislodge minor internal obstructions or reset the focus motor. Sometimes camera settings can cause unexpected behavior. Navigate to your Nikon D3500 setup menu and look for a Reset All Settings or Format Memory Card option. While this won't delete your photos, it will revert the camera to factory defaults, which can sometimes resolve software-related focus glitches. After these steps, try taking a test shot if your lens is now focusing accurately. Congratulations! If you're still encountering focus errors, the issue might be with the lens itself, and you may need to consider professional repair or replacement.